Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 65 Brook Road in Fairport.
This is a spectacular resort-style dream home that has been updated to perfection.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with beautiful landscaping. With a stamped concrete walkway, plus this stunning updated exterior and covered entry, leading to a beautiful foyer.
This home is a showstopper with highly desirable open living. Featuring a stunning designer showcase white and bright kitchen with custom soft close shaker style cabinetry, quartzite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a Blanco sink, and an expansive center island breakfast bar with seating up to 8 people. Open to the light and bright dining room with recessed lighting and tile floors. Plus an entertainment-sized family room with a gorgeous stone fireplace with a rustic wood mantel, crown molding, Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, and pocket doors leading to the cathedral ceiling living room with a palladium window and those stunning hardwood floors. This home also features a first floor powder room and laundry, plus great additional space in the partially finished lower level.
The excitement continues upstairs with 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, including this very private primary suite. The stunning architecture and quality craftsmanship is evident in the details. Just spectacular.
Prepare to entertain and be the destination spot all summer long in this resort-style backyard. With an entertainment-sized deck, overlooking the stunning patio and exquisite landscaping, complemented with an in-ground pool with a sunbathing area, all on nearly half a scenic acre.
You can have it all in this Fairport dream home. This property has a premier location nearby everything the town of Perrington and the village of Fairport has to offer. Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 65 Brook Road in Fairport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!